Is a $435 Dutch oven actually worth it? This is the Creuset Signature. It's the pot every other Dutch oven gets measured against. I used it for sourdough and everyday cooking and compared it to Staub and Lodge. Here's the honest answer.
It's enameled cast iron, so it's ready to use out of the box. No seasoning ever. The Signature is oven safe to 500 degrees, dishwasher safe, and comes with a lifetime warranty. Two things stand out. The interior is a light cream color, so you can actually see browning while you cook, and it's noticeably lighter than most cast iron. Made in France, built to outlive you.
Here's why sourdough bakers love a Dutch oven. When you preheat it and drop your dough in, the trapped moisture turns to steam, and that steam is what gives you that glossy, crackly crust. No steam injection oven needed. My method? Preheat empty at 500 degrees for about 45 minutes. Dough in, lid on for 20 minutes, lid off for 20 more. That's it. Bakery quality crust from a standard home oven with zero extra gear.
Beyond bread, it does what cast iron is famous for: a hard sear, even braising, serious heat retention, so it doubles as a serving piece. The enamel means acidic tomato and wine dishes are safe, unlike bare cast iron. And cleanup is easy. Most things wipe out, and it's dishwasher safe when you want to keep.
Quick comparison. Staub is the closest rival, around $398, darker matte interior, self-basting lid, slightly better for low and slow braising, but harder to monitor browning. Lodge is the budget pick, under $100, heavier, good but less refined enamel, made in China. Honestly, Lodge covers about 90% of what this pot does for a quarter of the price. With Le Creuset, you're paying for lighter weight, refined enamel, color options, and heirloom longevity.
Retail is around $435, but it goes on sale constantly. The Signature has dropped to around $295 to $310. My honest take? At full retail, it's a splurge. On sale, it's a buy-it-for-life piece you'll use for decades. If you bake sourdough, the steam trap effect alone makes it worth it over a baking sheet. Full comparison and current price are in the description. Link to the written review is there too. Subscribe for more gear that's actually worth it.